Now that we've started our first new part, let's take a quick look at the feature tree. So over on the left-hand side, I have my feature tree. It's fairly empty, obviously, to start here, but up at the top, I can see the top level of my part. It's been renamed to bracket and saved. And not too many features yet, as I haven't really started building my component, but I do have a front plane, a top plane, and a right plane, as well as a origin point within my 3D workspace. So these planes and origins are pretty much the building blocks for the beginning of my components. And any new part that you create will start with these three planes and your origin point. So generally, the first step to creating our new part would be to create a sketch. So let's say I'm looking to build that bracket component. The first step I might do is jump into my Sketch tab. And my first option on the left-hand side is to create a sketch. Now, when starting a new command that maybe we haven't used before, it can be useful to read the prompts. So notice as soon as I hit the sketch button, I was jumped into this property manager, and I've gone into the edit sketch property, and it's asking me to select a plane on which to create a sketch for the entity. So what this is saying is for me to start my sketch, I need a flat surface or a piece of paper in a sense, and that could be one of my three planes here. So let's say I wanted to start sketching on my front surface or my front plane. I can just click on whichever plane I'd like. So I'm going to grab the front plane here. As soon as I clicked on that front plane, I jumped normal to that front plane view, and I'm now within a sketch. So how can I tell when I'm within a sketch? I can see down at the bottom here that I have editing sketch. I can also see on the left-hand side that I've created this new sketch 1. And finally, up in the top corner, I have a couple of new icons that weren't there previously. This is to cancel out of a sketch without saving with the red X, or to leave a sketch with saving with the top icon here.